Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and today I have a fantastic announcement for you. Next week I will be taking part in the Modern Guitar Summit hosted by GuitarVivo.com. So this is going to be running from the 6th of December through to the 12th of December. It's a week-long online guitar masterclass series, as I say, hosted by Guitar Vivo and featuring some of the most ridiculous players you have ever seen in an event. Now, I was originally a part of this a couple of years ago, but due to global pavlovas and all of that, world shutting down, we couldn't actually go ahead with the event. It's been moved to an online thing now, but the beauty of that is more people can attend it, it can run over a longer period of time, and the actual contributors that can be involved in this is much further reaching. We can get people involved from all over the globe, and oh my god, this is a absolutely ridiculous lineup. In fact, I'm just going to go out and state this now. I have no idea whatsoever why I've been invited to take part in this. I am not at the caliber of these players. So let's talk about some of these players. There are longtime friends of mine, guys like Tom Quayle is going to be appearing, Martin Miller is going to be appearing, Jack Gardner, George Marius, Andy Wood, all of the names that you would expect to see involved in something like this. Fabulous players, well worth checking out, tons of stuff that you can learn from those guys. But actually, the involvement goes much wider than that. Players that I have considered some of my biggest influences for my entire playing life. Guys like Sean Baxter are involved, Brett Garced is involved, Tim Lurch is involved, TJ Helmrich is involved, and as of today I can officially announce Scott Henderson is involved. Scott Henderson. I am currently booked on a Guitar Masterclass event also featuring Scott Henderson, one of my all-time favourite players. It's an incredible lineup. I would recommend that you go to the website, check out everybody that's involved, and join up. Join up. You are not going to regret this. The price is absolutely insane. I think the early bird prices have ended now, but you're still getting, I believe it's $50. That's a ridiculous price for an incredible amount of content running over a period of a week. Lots of guys giving masterclasses. There will be round table discussions where guys will sit down and talk about different things about music and guitar and things like that. You're going to have an absolute blast. Please go and check it out. It's going to be incredible. I will be appearing on Tuesday the 7th of December in the morning. I will be doing a masterclass on triads, because triads is kind of my thing now. We will be talking about triad construction, what I call triad mutation exercises. We're going to be turning triads into seventh chords, giving you really kind of rich voicings for modern jazz playing, etc. We're going to talk about chromatic superimposition and turning triads into melodies, because my visualization system is so heavily based around triad harmony. Being able to expand that into different contexts is something that really works for me and works for a lot of my students. So I would encourage you to tune in and check that one out. Please do check out the link in the description. Head on over to Guitar Vivo's website. Check out this masterclass. It's going to be incredible. I cannot believe I am involved. I would be involved as a consumer if I wasn't somehow a contributor to it. So big thanks to the guys over at Guitar Vivo. You guys are incredible. I hope to see some of you there. If you have any questions, please do let me know in that comment section below. One more time, this is incredible. Can't believe it. Goodbye.